We are going to show you guys the easiest way to meal prep
It honestly,
for 2 people.
Life-changing, I'll tell you what.
Honestly, life-changing, I'll tell you what.
I just said that.
For real, okay, so I've had people ask us, like, you know, dinners for 2, whatever else, because...
let me hold my coffee too, okay.
Oh, there we go. I cooked some fire meals, I'm not even gonna lie. And it's kind of hard to cook for 2 people. So what we're showing you guys today is 1, delicious recipes for 2 people and how we kind of meal prep for the week. And we're gonna go to our farmer's market and the grocery store and we're gonna cook and have literally the best day ever.
Best day ever, and you guys wanna know what's in my coffee?
What?
MCT oil.
Brain power.
Brain power.
So if you hate grocery shopping, which I used to, but now I just, oh my goodness, I just love it. But what we like to do is make some iced coffee or buy some. We decided to make some today because it makes it fun, it makes it cute. So we're gonna do that and drink our coffee and go to the farmer's market.
Try it, see if the wind is all right.
Is it going?
Yeah.
We got some onions, some grape tomatoes, a red onion, lemons, some potatoes. Oh my God. It's a potato! Some peppers, oh, a runaway pepper, a cucumber.
My pickled beets.
Pickled beets. So, we got pretty much everything that we need for the recipes tonight from here. And it was like $26 for all this, which is like great. And it's like organic and from local farmers. So now we're gonna go to a grocery store and get the meat and like some other thing. I like how the wind stops when I'm done.
Yeah. Guys, this is the book we're going off of. So it's cook once, eat all week. So it's brisket, bell peppers. But instead of getting a brisket, we actually got a different type of steak because the brisket was huge and we just wanted to make sure we were gonna eat it all. So we got a different type of steak this time. But they're gonna tell you how to cook it, the ingredients you need. So we bought all the ingredients, but look at all these different options. We won't do this one because that's just a lot of cheese. But we're definitely gonna do this stir fry and we'll have a side of rice with it. And then this one looks bomb. Look at that, it's like a salad, a gyro salad with some potato wedges. So that's what we're gonna get started on. It's gonna be delicious.
Okay, so we're back at the house and I guess Tony told you about the book that we're using as a tool. We don't follow it like perfectly, but we do get a lot of inspiration from it. We're gonna follow the recipe, but we might do things like a little out of order just to like fit our lifestyle better, which I think is great. So if you guys want this book, I'll link it below. It's seriously been life-changing. From Schnucks, we picked up things like the bone broths, our jasmine rice, Greek yogurt, and then the flank that we're making. So Tony's most likely going to be the one to do the steak because that's just what he's really good at. I'm gonna do the rice and make the sauces, and then Tony also is really good at chopping things. So. No, I'm not good at it all. And the sauces are like intense, so it's better if I do the sauces and you do the chopping.
Alright guys, let us know in the comments which one looks better. Her Greek style, like gyro inspired, or this, what is this, like Asian or Korean? Which one?
It was called just like some sort of stir fry.
Yeah.
Like brisket stir fry or something.
So, which one do you guys think looks better? I haven't even tried it, so I'm excited to try it. Took what, like 45 minutes maybe?
Yeah, it was super quick.
Perfect angles. He wishes you could eat. Alright, so now we're cleaning up the kitchen, but what would you rate your...
Honestly, my tzatziki bowl was like a 9.5. It was
high.
so good. And I'll definitely like be making it again for sure.
I would say mine's like 8.5, 9. There's nothing wrong with it, but like, always just leave room, you know what I'm saying? But it was good. I think our first meal prep that we ever did, that Korean bowl, was fire.
Yeah, and I liked all the toppings with it.
Yeah, the
Because like,
toppings.
I think that's why the tzatziki one was so cool because it's like, I love adding the cucumber and you know, all the fun stuff.
Toppings make a big difference. So yeah, we're gonna finish cleaning and we're gonna end it here. So thanks guys for watching. If you want to see more of these recipes, I mean, we didn't even give
Blair,
you.
stop. Hey, stop.
Leave me alone. Help me. All right, well that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, well, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys.
Let me know if you guys want us to do more cooking videos or more food prep videos, yada, yada, yada. Let us know.
Yada, yada, let us know. We'll see you guys next time. Adios.
Bye. I'm not in the frame.
Bye.
Bye.